Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can make your Twitter public. So as you can see by this little luck icon near my profile name, my account is currently private. So once I would like to set it to the public, set it to be public, we'll need to go into settings, which you can do by tapping on your profile picture over here, then settings and support, settings and privacy. In here, if I'm not mistaken, we will need to go into privacy and safety, then audience and tagging, and in here turn off the protect your tweets toggle. And once you do that, if I'll get back to my Twitter, as you can see it became public, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.